How can I make an in-store purchase with my Affirm account?
Welcome to this tutorial on making in-store purchases with your Affirm account. Affirm is a convenient and flexible financing option that allows you to make purchases and pay over time. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process step by step.
What is an Affirm account?
Affirm is a financial service that provides an alternative to credit cards and traditional loans by offering transparent, fixed-rate financing. With an Affirm account, you can make purchases and pay for them over time, usually in monthly installments. The process is simple, and it's available at many retailers, both online and in-store.
How do I create an Affirm account?
1. Visit the Affirm website or download the Affirm app on your smartphone. 2. Click on Sign Up or Create Account. 3. Enter your email address and create a password. 4. Provide your mobile number and verify it through a code sent via SMS. 5. Provide your personal information and social security number for identity verification. 6. Once your information is verified, you'll have an active Affirm account.
How can I make an in-store purchase with my Affirm account?
Step 1. Find a participating retailer first. You'll need to find a retailer that accepts Affirm as a payment option. You can do this by checking the Affirm app or the Affirm website for a list of participating retailers. Step 2. Apply for a virtual card. Once you've found a retailer, open the Affirm app and tap Shop in Store. Follow the prompts to apply for a virtual card. Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility and credit limit. Step 3. Activate your virtual card. If you're approved, you'll receive a virtual card with a 16-digit card number, an expiration date, and a CVV code. This virtual card will be linked to your Affirm account and can be used like a regular credit card at the retailer. Step 4. Make your purchase. When you're ready to make your purchase, provide the cashier with the virtual card details, either by showing them the card in the Affirm app or providing the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. The cashier will process the transaction like a regular credit card payment. Step 5. Choose your payment plan. After the purchase, you'll need to select a payment plan within the Affirm app. Affirm offers various plans, typically ranging from 3 to 36 months. Choose the plan that best fits your budget. Step 6. Make monthly payments. Once you've selected a payment plan, you'll receive a confirmation email with your payment schedule. Make sure to make your monthly payments on time to avoid late fees or penalties. Making an in-store purchase with your Affirm account is a convenient way to finance your purchases over time. Remember to choose a payment plan that fits your budget and to make your monthly payments on time. Happy shopping!